The biggest issue with the Ram 1500 stock exhaust is that it's quiet. But first, before we jump into the exhaust systems, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. This will help me to continue to put out more and better content. And if you haven't already, make sure to turn your video quality up to the highest setting. Also, check out the video links in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So knowing that aftermarket exhaust systems come in different configurations and options for materials, it can be tough to pick the right one. So with that being said, all the kits featured in this video bolt on after the factory resonator, with the only exception being the MBRP exhaust. In addition to the bolted connection, all of these exhausts are made of stainless steel construction and feature a lifetime warranty. Making number 5 on my list is the Corsa Extreme Exhaust Kit. This Corsa exhaust kit features 3 different tip colors and has an optional front resonator delete kit that you can purchase for an additional $200 some. On screen now are the specs from Corsa's website. Making number 4 on my list is the MBRP Pro Series Dodge exhaust kit.
As you know, MBRP only builds compliance systems, so we've left the front Y pipe in place once again, and we've got a flange right here. We're going to pick up from this flange and we're going to go all the way back. So we've got 3-inch mandrel bend tubing, band clamps, more tubing, factory hangers being utilized, high flow chambered muffler into dual tailpipes. So these tailpipes snake up and over, lots of axle clearance, the whole 9 yards, utilizing all the factory hangers, utilizing band clamps still. And then of course, exiting into 4.5 stainless steel dual wall MBRP exhaust tips. This truck's all done, sounds killer. Let's get it on the ground. We'll give it a listen. Gives you a much cooler exhaust note. So here we are. We're gonna pull out on the highway. Just get up to highway speed. Give it a listen. Here we are. We're just coming over 60 miles an hour. It's you know, going through the gears. Still got a couple more gears to go, but this is a mildly aggressive truck, I would say, or exhaust note. I can hear it in the cab, but I'm not tired of it. It's not too much. but it's enough to say I've got a performance exhaust system. You know, I've driven this truck for, I don't know, 6 months maybe or so. I've had this system on for almost that amount of time. This is my daily driver. And I can honestly say, I think the design team at MBRP have done a great job here where kind of the best of both worlds. It's mildly aggressive, I can turn heads when I step on it, and yet I can have family, friends, I can have my wife and I going to, you know, church on a Sunday morning and never go, wow, that's just way too loud. I wish I had less exhaust note. Speaking of exhaust note, I'm gonna whip around here, let you hear it at wide open throttle. There you have it. You know what? We Dodge owners know we're not going to win any drag races with our 2019 Dodge Ram, but we're darn well going to sound good doing it. You know what? You've got ease of installation, you've got mandrel bent, high flow, stainless steel, dual wall tips. You've got it all in one box, ready to go. Check it out.
The MBRP Pro Series Dodge Exhaust Kit features T304 stainless steel construction and comes in at a price tag of $1,142. This is also the only kit on my list to replace the front muffler resonator tube without any additional cost. Making number 3 on my list is the AWE OFG Exhaust Suite. The AWE OFG Exhaust Suite features a T304L construction and comes in at a price tag of $1,278 for the chrome tips and $1,332 for the diamond black tips. AWE's website is nicely laid out. I recommend taking a trip over to my description below and clicking the link to check out their website. Making number 2 on my list is the Borla Atak Exhaust Kit.
So here's this little interior shot of what it sounds like inside the cab. I'll be quiet and you guys can kind of see what it's like under just kind of a cruising speed. Super subdued, not really a whole lot of interior noise whatsoever. Absolutely no drone, but when you want it, you got it.
The Borla Atak exhaust kit features a T304 stainless steel construction and comes in at a price right around $1,041. And for an additional $218, you can get Borla's optional front muffler resonator kit to dampen your sound level just a little bit. You just simply cut your front resonator tube and clamp this in place of the factory resonator. And making it all the way to number 1 is the Borla S-type exhaust kit and the Borla cold start. And here's the new Borla revving. Just like the Borla Atak exhaust kit, this kit also features T304 stainless steel construction and starts at a price of $1,081. And for an additional $218, you can get Borla's optional front muffler resonator kit to dampen your sound level just a little bit. You just simply cut your front resonator tube and clamp this in place of the factory resonator. So here's a quick drive over. As you can see, I've added the Borla front muffler resonator. Check out the links in my description below for more on this muffler resonator. Here's the Borla catback exhaust system. This kit was ultimately my #1 choice and the one that I ended up going with on my own personal daily driver. It's the perfect combination of volume and everyday livability. It's not too loud and it's great on long road trips. Well, now the choice is yours to make. This video was made with the intention on helping everyone that clicked on it determine which exhaust kit might be right for their pickup truck. If you're feeling left out, or if you found another exhaust kit that you feel is better than anything on this list, feel free to leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya in the next one.